we have our pineapple zinger recipe for you guys. This is taken from our lolly book. You can get it on Amazon, and there's loads of other fun, brilliant recipes in there as well. Okay, get your pineapple and put it into your blending pot. You also need some lime juice. Roll the lime on the table to get the most juice out of your lime. You can also put in some unrefined cane sugar if you need. Your pineapple is hopefully sweet enough. Now here's the crazy bit, the basil. Now trust me, it goes really well with the pineapple and lime, so just try it first. Blend away, and then you're going to pour into your molds. Leave a gap at the top because the liquid expands when it freezes. Cover with foil, cling film or card and pierce your wooden sticks through. Try and get your sticks straight and freeze overnight. Now take your lollies out, and they taste brilliant. Try it first. Keep the basil in there and let me know how you get on. What did you think? Guys, did you enjoy that? If so, check out our other fun recipe videos. And also let us know what you want us to make. Give us some ideas and we'll give it a go. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and follow.